order. Now enter this date and enter the sales order number. Enter. Okay, so this is the delivery screen. You go to picking. So now we are delivering. The planned delivery quantity is 100, so I am delivering 100 to the customer. Now you need to have the batch. So here, if you see, I'll go to batch screen. We'll go to batch MMB screen. See, these are the stocks we have. Now, this 100 sales order stock batch is this one. Okay. Now, if I try to enter the different customer sales order batch, you will see what will happen. If I take 570, you see what will happen. Even if I enter 50 also, now you see what will happen. Okay. If I try to do post goods issue, see, delivery has not yet been put away, picked immediately. That means this is the for different batch. That is why it is not taking the order. Okay. So that is what you need to understand. Okay, so let us do, or even if you enter 100 also, it will not do the delivery. See, sales order stock does not exist. Are you able to see? Because you are trying to deliver a different customer stock. Batch is different. That is why you are getting error. Okay, so I will enter the batch number of this particular customer order. Okay, so I'll go to the MMB. Now I'll try to enter this batch 569. Okay, so enter 569. Now you will be able to deliver. That means you will be able to do delivery of that particular customer stock only, not other customer stock. Okay, so I entered the batch. So now we are delivering 100 pieces to the particular customer. So you click on the button post goods issue. Okay, so your delivery has been saved. So let's go and see. Now as this delivered, this stock will go from the system and this order also disappear from the system. See, that customer order has gone and that stock has okay. Now we have second order for already stock is there. So with this also will deliver to the customer. So I am doing the next sales order. Okay, so just give me 1 minute. I'll do for that also. Same thing. Now I'll use different sales order. 142 14624. Second sales order is 14624. Okay. Enter. Go to picking 50 pieces. My quantity is 50 pieces. And what is a batch? Batch is this one. 50 pieces. This is a batch 570. Okay. Enter the batch. Enter. Now do the post goods issue. That means we have delivered the product to the customer. Okay, so done. Your delivery has been done. Now if you go to the MD04 screen, that's it. Everything is gone. So this is how make to order production will work. Here the most important thing is there is no forecast. There is no planned independent requirements. If the customer gives the order, then only you will start the production. Otherwise you don't do any production. You will be simply sit idle. Now here in this case, again they will wait for one more customer order to come. Till that time no production. Okay. Hope this is clear till this part. Okay. So you should understand what is the difference between make to stock and make to order, how the pure make to order works, and what is the difference between unrestricted use stock and sales order stock, customer specific stock. Okay, so now we'll start with planning strategy 50. Planning strategy 50. Okay, so planning strategy 50 is like same like 20 only, but here you have some extra functionalities, extra features over here. Okay, so with strategy 50, the finished product is produced based on the sales order. To achieve short delivery times, certain assembly should be produced or procured before the sales orders for the finished product is received. Okay, see here the advantage is in strategy 20 what happens? Your customer order comes for your FERT material, your finished product. Okay, now based on this only, first you will start manufacturing of your semi-finished product, and then you procure your raw material, packing material, everything you will do once you receive the customer order for your finished product. So because of that, what happens? Your delivery time to the customer will increase, right? Once the customer order comes, then only you will come to know the requirement of semi-finished goods, raw material and packing material. Then you will procure these things. Then once these are procured, you manufacture the SFG. Then using this SFG, you manufacture your finished product. So this entire process will take a lot of time in case of pure make to order. So to reduce the lead time of the delivery to the customer, they have come up with this planning strategy called 50. Okay, so here what happens is the down level materials like your SFG, semi-finished goods, raw materials, packing materials, all these are produced or procured before the sales order comes for this finished product. So you will keep all these things ready. Okay, so that when the sales order comes for the finished product, then all the down levels of materials are ready. So you just produce FG and then you deliver the product to the customer. So to reduce the delivery time to the customer, the planning strategy 50 is used. It is make to order only. Only thing is down level materials you will manufacture in advance. Okay, planning that is independent of the sales order occurs using planned independent requires for the finished product. So the down level materials are manufactured using planned independent requirements. The down level materials. Okay, we'll see it in the system. Okay, in the MRP run, system creates planned orders with order type BP for the finished product to cover these requirements. Of course, this you cannot convert to production orders. Okay, so planned orders of this type cannot be changed or converted into an executable order such as production order. So initial stages you will not be able to produce your finished product. Okay, so this is what the planning without final assembly will happen. Okay, so here what you need to understand is down level materials are manufactured first. See here your pump is your final assembly, this is your finished product, this is your finished product. Okay, these are all your down level materials, spiral casing, shaft, all these are your down level materials. So what they do is using some forecast, first they manufacture these down level materials. Okay, and once these are ready, sales order comes for the finished product. Sales order will come for your finished product. Then that time all the down level materials are ready. So you manufacture only finished product and then you make the delivery to the customer. So this will basically reduce your lead time. Okay, see, your ultimate aim is to deliver your product to the customer as early as possible, right? So to do that, you will be using this strategy. Okay, you will be using this strategy. See, as a consultant, you should clearly understand in which scenario which strategy is used. Okay, so let's start with the flow of 50. So I'll go to the material master first. MM02 again. It might have got disconnected. Just give me 1 minute. Huh? Okay. Go to MM02. 10356 is my finished product. Go to MRP3 view. Plan is 1000. Okay. Now here you enter planning strategy 50. Okay. Now again here you will have consumption modes and consumption periods. Even though it is a make to order, I'll tell you why this consumption mode and consumption periods are used over here. So I'll put backward and then 90, or you can put 999, 999. We already discussed what is this consumption mode, what is this consumption periods yesterday. Okay, so this is the planning without final assembly strategy I'm using. I'm entering this for finished product. Okay, now let us check the BOM of this particular product. /n CS02. Plant is 1000. Just give me 1 minute. Enter. So we don't have semi-finished product. Huh? Just give me 1 minute. I'll make the data ready. Do we have any semi-finished product? Yeah, we have semi-finished product 10419. Okay, 10419. 10419. Okay, and then we have packing, right? Bottle, empty bottle and caps, controllable. So this is the BOM. So now here, this is the finished product. Under this is a semi-finished product. Coke solution is a semi-finished product. Okay, and these are the packing materials. Okay, so this is the BOM structure I'm creating. So now what they do is, okay, so BOM is there. Now what they do is, first let me go to MD04 screen of the semi-finished product. What is the semi-finished product we have? Coke solution, right? 10419. Let us go to 10419. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, Coke solution, very good. We don't have any stock or something over here. Okay, not a problem. So now let us go to our finished product first. 10356. So here, what to do is to produce the down-level materials. What they do here is they will enter some planned independent requirements here. Forecast. They will enter some forecast over here. Okay. Even though it is make to order, they will enter some forecast. So I'm entering forecast MD61. This we have seen yesterday. So this is my finished product. I'm entering some forecast for the next months. Okay. So I will enter 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. Next 6 months I'm entering the requirement. Okay, I entered the requirement. Now I'm saving this. Okay, so now if you go to stock requirement screen, you will be able to see the forecast. Okay, now why it is coming here VSC? Now it is coming as VSC. Okay, so why it is coming as VSC is that's because the planning strategy. If you go to configuration again, you should know because of which settings are which effects are getting taking place. So if you go to production. If you go to production planning, demand management, planned independent requirements, planning strategy, define strategy. If you go to 50 here, what is the planned independent requirement type? VSE. That is why it is coming as VSE here. Okay. Now what they do is, first they do MRP first. Okay. First they do MRP. I am here. I am executing MRP. Okay. So MD02 as usual I am executing MRP. Okay. I executed MRP. Now if you go to the stock requirement list screen, you will be getting the planned orders. Okay. Now at this stage, if you want to start production of finished product, you will not be able to do it. Suppose even if I try to convert the planned order to production order, do you have those buttons? Do you have those buttons to convert the planned order to production order? No, it is not there. Are you able to see? That means at this stage, at this moment, you will not be able to start the production of your finished product. That is the beauty of this planning strategy. See, there is no buttons to convert the planned order to production order. That means you cannot start production over here in this case. But to produce this finished product, you need your down level materials, Coke solution, packing material, everything. So because of this, you will be getting your down level material requirement. Suppose if I go to the BOM, see, this is a Coke solution. Now if you go to the Coke solution situation, MD04, if you go to Coke solution situation, see here you got, sorry, just give me 1 minute. This is a problem. Settings are not there in the system. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. I'll execute MRP one more time. Just give me 1 minute. Slash MD02 10356. Okay, I created it again. So now if you go to the situation, of semi-finished product, what is it? What is a semi-finished product? 10419. Okay, so if you go here, see now this is a semi-finished product. Now semi-finished product, you got the requirement from your finished product. Okay, you got the dependent requirement. Here again it doesn't have any stock, so you got the planned order. Now here at this moment you can start production of your semi-finished product. Are you able to see? You are able to see. You should be able to. You are able to in a position to start the production of your semi-finished product. That's why this button circle. So here what you do is you start the manufacturing of your finished products, semi-finished products and down level materials, and keep them ready. So I'll do the first one. I'll convert the planned order to production order for semi-finished product. Work scheduling view not maintained. Just 1 minute. 10419. 10419. Data is not there. That is a problem. I forgot to create. Yeah. Hi.
Yesterday I didn't talk to you. I'm going to talk today. Okay.
Yeah. Sure. I'm in the middle of the class. Let's continue this and then we'll start. Then we'll discuss. Okay. So I'm converting the planned order to production order. BOM routing is not there. Huh? Just give me 1 minute and let me create routing for this. CA01. Data is not there. That is a problem. For semi-finished product, master data is not there. That is a problem. Okay. So now I created the routing. Okay. So now again I will go to MD04 /n MD04. Okay. Now I'll convert the planned order to production. Okay, so that means here at this stage I am producing the semi-finished product, bulk Coke solution. Okay, all materials available. I am releasing the production order. Okay, now I am saving this. Just 1 minute. Huh? Okay, so now your production order is created for your semi-finished product. Okay, so now I'll do the GR for this. You will get stock. I'll do the GR for this. You will be getting stock. /n MB30. That means your manufacturing of your semi-finished product is completed. Okay, done. Now if you go, you will be able to see the stock of semi-finished product. So now the semi-finished product is ready. Your semi-finished product is ready. Now when the customer order comes for your finished product, customer order comes from your finished product, FORT material, then you can consume the down level manufactured products already, down level materials already. So now what happens? Now the customer order comes for your finished product. Okay, so I'll enter a sales order now. /n BA01. I'm entering a sales order now for the finished product. Okay, enter. This is a customer. Let's say this is a customer, and he is giving the order 10356. Let's say he is giving the order for 50. He is giving the order for 50. Okay, complete delivery. Okay, now he is giving the order. Now observe carefully. When the sales order is coming, the sales orders will consume one of the planned independent requirements. That is why we maintain the consumption mode. Okay, so this is very beautiful strategy, very good strategy actually. Okay, so now I'm saving the sales order. Now the moment I save the sales order, you see what will happen. And one more thing is, if you go to the procurement type, what is a customer requirement type? It is KEB. It is KEB. Why KEB is coming now? Because now we are working with strategy 50 KEB. When we worked with strategy 20, the requirement type was KE. Now as it is 50, it is KEB is coming in the customer requirement type. Okay. Now the moment I save the sales order, let me check for any errors. No errors, no errors. So now I'm saving the sales order. The moment I save the sales order, you see what will happen. Now the sales order will show on the MD04 screen. Okay, the sales order will show on the MD04 screen. Sales order is now showing on the MD04 screen. The sales order number is 14625. And if you observe carefully, the September month planned independent requirement got reduced by 50. It consumed the planned independent requirement of September month. Okay, that is why we maintained consumption mode and consumption period. Now what happens is, as the sales order has come for the finished product, they do MRP again. They do MRP again. Okay, I'll do the MRP again. I'll do the MRP again. For the now I'm doing for finished product. Okay, so when I do the MRP again, what happens is, for the customer order which is there, you will be getting one planned order. One planned order you got here. Are you able to see? You got a planned order here. This planned order you can convert to production order. See, no, those buttons are there. The planned orders which are generated because of planned independent requirements, these are not convertible to production order. Are you able to see? Are you able to see? Those buttons are there. But the planned order which is got generated because of sales order, that you can convert to production order. So at this stage, you can start production of your finished product. And already your down level materials are ready. So you will consume them in manufacturing this finished product. That is the beauty of this. Again, you complete it, you will get sales order stock, and then you will deliver the product to the customer. This is how the planning strategy 50 will work. See, the major difference is in 20 and 50. In 20, all will start manufacturing of everything after receiving your sales order for finished product. Whereas in case of 50, what happens is, your down level materials are manufactured in advance. Your SFG, your raw material procurement, packing material procurement is done in advance. Okay, so that you can reduce your lead time to the your delivery time to the customer. To reduce the delivery time to the customer, you manufacture them in somewhat advance. That is what you will be doing here. Okay, so that is the planning strategy 50. So here you will be able to convert this planned order to production order. Okay, again see, as this is a make to order, again sales order link is there. It is, even though it is 50 strategy, basically it is a make to order strategy. That is why in the sales order you have, in the production order you have sales order link. Okay, so they will produce it. Okay, materials are not there. Of course, this we manufactured, but these are not there. That is why we are getting the error. Okay, I'll delete this for the time being, all the components. all the components. Now I'll release a production order, save it.
The plan order from PIR is consuming the plan order of sales order, right?
Yeah, yes. So production order has come. Now I will discuss. You just call me once after this class. We'll discuss. Huh? Just give me 1 minute. So now you have the production order. Once the production is completed, you make the GR. You'll be getting the stock. MB 31. That will be again sales order stock. Okay, done. Now if you go to the MD04 screen, see your sales order stock has come. This is the sales order stock, as this is a make to order. This is basically a make to order. Only even though it is a 50 strategy, it's basically make to order. So that's why you got sales order stock, customer specific stock, and you have your order. Now you make the delivery. See, only these planned independent requirements you enter to manufacture your down level materials. That's all. Not to manufacture this FG product. Okay, so this is how the planning strategy 50 will work. Okay, and this individual collector will discuss next class. Okay, I'm running short of time. I need to drop my kid to my his school. Okay, this will tomorrow I will discuss tomorrow in the next class. Okay, tomorrow. Okay, so we'll close it here. And boss, you call me, boss, to my mobile. Qureshi, you call to my mobile. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Guys, so we'll close it here. We'll continue tomorrow at the same time.
Is this your number? Dhawan, is this your number 9199087448?
Yeah. Yes. Correct. That is my number. Yeah. Okay. So we'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll complete this one. What is the use of this individual collective requirement indicator?